Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, we will see that how to implement role-based or policy-based authorization in ASP.NET Core, or we will see the step-by-step process to implement this authorization in our APIs. Okay, so let me show you that what I have done so far. So this is the login API, or here I am just using the static data. Okay, to show you that how the things are working. After that, it will generate the JWT token like this, or here we have added the so many claims like user ID, email ID. Okay, or after that we are getting the uh, JWT token. Okay, after that, like we have added the authorization attribute. Okay, so like let's wait for generation of this token. Okay, so yeah, we got the JWT token. After that, what I will do here, simply I will just copy this token. This is the profile API, or I need to I need to choose the authentication type as a bearer token. After that, I will replace the token with the existing one. Or if I send the request, there you will see that API is protected. Okay, or suppose if I choose no authorization. Okay, so it will give me unauthorized access. Okay, so like the token based authentication is working properly. Or let's see that how we can implement the role based authentication. Okay, first let me show you. While you generating that JWT token, there is what you need to here. We will add another claim, which is uh, like roles. Okay, so simply like what you need to hear, like there are a lot of things that we will discuss here. Okay, so first I will define the claim types is role. Okay, or after that, suppose this is the user ID. Okay, on this email ID I will define the role is admin. Super. Okay, like I am doing everything statically, but while you're working with the like live projects, okay, then you will need to make it dynamically. Okay, so you know it very well that how you can make dynamically, but just you need to know the steps to add the role based or policy based authorization. After that, you will do on your own. Okay, so I have added the admin role. After that, like we have added this role in the claims. Thereafter we will go to the authorize. Okay, so I will apply the role based authorization on this API. Simply I will just write the roles is admin. Super. Okay, if I save this thing here, or let's run the project again, but thereafter I will show you that like uh, are we getting the results okay or not. Okay, so simply first what you need here. Okay, I will send the I will get the token again. Okay, so this is my token that I have created earlier. Okay, I will I think I need to degenerate the token. Okay, like I have added the new role there. Okay, so this is the token, or you see that the token is changed as well. Copy this token, go to a profile API, or add this token to the bearer token. Okay, or let me replace the with the existing one. If I send the request there, you will see that this is protected data. But like we have defined the admin here, or the roles also here. Okay, but let's see that I will change its role. Okay, like user's role, which is administration. Okay, so suppose I have changed the role of this user, or there still it is required like a role should be admin. Or whenever I will send this request, let's see that how the is the things still working or not. Let me rerun this login API. Okay, or while copying this thing, or I will replace the token with the existing one. Or if I send the request, there you will see that 403 forbidden, like it is not allowing to access this API. Or this is why we are getting the forbidden status code, because we the existing this user have the roles of the administration, but this API requires the admins only. So this is how like work with the APIs, okay, or we work with the role-based authorization, okay, in the ASP.NET Core Web APIs, okay. So like you got an idea about the roles, okay, but like you can define the multiple roles as well on the APIs, okay. So if I define the this role here, okay, so simply I will just copy this role or put here, okay. Or if I save this file, or let me go to the postman again, or if I send the request, thereafter you will see that we are able to access the API, because like the user role is defined here, or like administration roles is also uh, applicable to access this API, okay. So like this is how like we define the role based authorization, okay. Now let's see that how to define the policy based authorization, okay. So there are a lot of things that we need to do here, okay. So simply I will just stop this application and let's go to the program CS, okay. So here I will define so many things in the program CS, okay. So you will see that the builder.services that authorization I have is added, okay. On let's do so many things regarding the policies, okay. So simply what I will do here, I will define the policies, okay. So options dot add policy, okay. You like please guys see the things like what I'm doing here, okay. So first I will define the policy for only admin, okay. So let's see that the policy for only admin is, I will define the policy is require the role which is the admin, okay. It means that whenever I will add the policy on any API, so there like the API that have the policy of admin only should have the admin role as well, otherwise you won't be able to access the API, okay. Now next policy that I am gonna to add here, which is the like can edit. Suppose I add the policy which is the suppose can edit policy, okay. So like this is the thing that I have added. Now let's make the policy custom claims as well, okay. So require claim that I will use here, okay. Or I will define the claim which is the, like permission. In the permission it will check that the permission claim should have the product can like edit product policy, okay. So if this permission is added in the claims, so like the user can be like will able be to access the API, okay. Now let's add another policy. Suppose I want to check that the user is adult or not, okay. So simply what I will do here, okay, let's like I will show, I am showing you that every kind of every type of the policy that we can work with the policy based authorization, okay. So like I will define like the require assertion, okay, or the context that I am doing here, okay. Context dot the user, okay, dot has claim. The claim should have uh, like the age, okay. So the claim type that I am defining here, which is the age, okay. Suppose if the claim has the value which is the age, okay, or age should have the like if I am trying to parse the value should be greater than equals to 18. So this is how like we have defined the age as well, okay. So like we can do add the policy in such a manner, okay. Or in the first policy, like I have defined like this policy should have the role as well, okay. But if you're trying to access the API which have the policy but the user should have the permission is the can edit the product, okay. After that, if the policy is added the adult user, so like it will directly go, it will check the like age number. If the number is greater than 18, so like like the user is applicable to work with the APIs. Let's do few things, okay. I will add another claim, okay, so that we can do the things like this. Okay, so the claim that I am going to add here, so I will add two claims here. Okay, the first claim that I am gonna to add here, which is the edit product. Okay, after that, let's add another claim, which is the age based claims as well. Okay, so the age is 2020, age is 22. Okay, so like this is how like we have added these claims in the claims area. Okay, after that, what I will do here simply let's create another APIs. Okay, to make these things. Okay, so simply I will just define create the API, or so that we can check that the API has an admin access or not. Okay, so I will return the OK status with admin policy access, like this. Okay, so if I add the authorization here, okay, the authorization is like policy that I'm going to define here, which is the uh, admin only. Okay, super. Now let's check that are we able to access this. Let's see that how the things should work. Okay, and I will create another API. Okay, so that we can confirm both the things as well. Okay, authorize that is can edit product. Okay, I forgot to add this thing here. Okay, so don't forget to such kind of things here. Or we have added the policy as well. Or if I hit the request, if I send the application. Okay, after that, or let's create another JW token. Like we have added a few more permissions as well. Okay, so simply I will just copy this token. First, I will try to access the profile as well. Okay, the profile I will send, the profile is like we are able to access the profile because like there the role is required is administration that I have already added here. Now let's see that we able to access the permissions as well. Okay, so another API that I'm going to access here, which is the product API. Okay, so I can edit product. Okay, so if I replace the token here, send the request, thereafter it is asking me edit product was not found. Authorization name edit product was not found. I think I made a mistake here. It is edit product, or it will check the can edit policy. Sorry, it's not policy, it's can edit. This is the we have added the things like the can edit product. Okay, because we like you see that the wrong words in the APIs can make you trouble as well. Okay, after that you will see that product edit is allowed. So like in this way, let me explain you the things again that what I have done here. Okay, it will check the permission have should have the edit product. Okay, after that it will go to the middleware. The middleware is the policy which is defined the can edit product, so it will go it will check that the policy have the can edit product. Okay, after that it will check the claims as well, like the permission claim should have the value is edit product. Okay, and while you creating the claims. Okay, so it will check that okay, so like we have the permission edit product. Okay, so like, in this way like you can implement the role based or policy based authorization in ASP.NET Core. Okay, so if you love this content, if you love this video, so I just want to request you that please subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video to your friends, your colleagues on network as well, or hit the like button. So thank you for watching this video till here, or till then take care guys, bye bye, have a good day.